Let me tell you about a story about a woman that was pulled over and arrested for a DUI even though she blew way under the legal limit. My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. I'm a DUI lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia. This lady had had a glass of wine at a family dinner with her children there and her sister and their children, and ended up driving home. She drove her daughter home as well as her sister's children. While driving home, she drove through a construction zone where they had the big orange barrels all the way down the road and no lanes were marked. Driving through there, an officer pulled over and said she failed to maintain lane. It's about impossible to find a lane in this construction zone, but she was still pulled over for that. She performed the field sobriety test and the officer said she had failed and arrested her, took her to jail where she went ahead and took a breath test. When she took that breath test, she was substantially below the legal limit. The officer then looked at her and decided, well, he was going to arrest her anyways because he suspected that maybe she was on other substances and she shouldn't have had her kids with her while she had a glass of wine. Unfortunately, that's not what the law says. The law is you're allowed to have some alcohol and you just can't have too much. She followed those rules and was within her legal rights to drive and did not show really any dangerous signs of anything else. She faced many charges because of each of the kids that were in the vehicle, as well as her own DUI. So when she came to me and we met, she really did face a lot of jail time, a significant punishment in this case. When I looked at it, I couldn't believe that someone would be arrested that was so far under the legal limit, especially when there were assumptions that there were other substances in her, except the police officer didn't go through the effort of literally just walking down to the nurse or just taking her to a hospital to pull her blood if he really thought that that was the issue. When I got that case, I filed a motion to suppress, which means to exclude all field sobriety tests and the breath test, because when I watched the video, I did not find any legal reason for the officer to pull over that vehicle. The car was traveling in a construction zone where there were really no lanes marked. So it was literally impossible to fail to maintain lane when there are no lanes being marked. Eventually, we announced ready for trial and the prosecutor ended up dismissing that case as well. But what this does show you, and what I want you to take from this, is that even if you do blow and have under the legal limit of the blood alcohol content in your body, the police may still arrest you. There's a lot of pressure on police and prosecutors to make DUI arrests, and anytime there's anything in question, they're gonna arrest you, whether the law supports it or not. If there's any question, they're going to arrest you and try to prosecute you. The unfortunate thing would happen if that lady, did not hire an attorney or hired an attorney that didn't understand what to do with the case and how to properly attack that case. My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. I'm a DUI lawyer. If you've been arrested for DUI, go ahead and give me a call and we can talk about your case and talk about how I can help you. My name is Benjamin Von Schuch. I look forward to speaking to you. Thanks for watching my video.